你好，我是顿顿。Today we're gonna learn how to use a pair of conjunctions in Chinese, which are because and so. I know, like in English, normally we won't use because and so in one sentence, but in Chinese Mandarin we can do that. So because in Chinese it's 因为, and so it's 所以. For example, today the weather 天气 at my place it's not very good. It's really cloudy. So I can say 因为 因为今天天气不好。因为今天天气不好 because the weather today is not very good. 所以我不想出去。所以我不想出去 So I don't want to go out. So together, 因为今天天气不好，所以我不想出去。因为今天天气不好，所以我不想出去。And also, for example, 因为for this one is we say pancakes, 蛋糕 or cakes. So I would say 因为我不饿 because I'm not hungry. 因为我不饿，所以我不想吃东西。因为我不饿，所以我不想吃东西。Because I'm not hungry, so I don't want to eat anything. And also, my water. This is 水 I would say, 因为我不渴 I'm not thirsty. 因为我不渴，所以我不想喝水。所以我不想喝水。But as I mentioned before, I don't want to go out because it's bad weather outside. But I have to go out because I have to do my job, right? I will have lesson later. So I will say, 因为我要上课 I have to go to lessons. 因为我要上课，所以我要出去。因为我要上课，所以我要出去。Because I have lesson, that's why I have to go out. So the conjunctions of today is because and so. 因为所以 I guess that's our life, right? Because I mentioned before, I don't want to go out, but not everyone gets what he wants, right? So yeah, bear that in mind. 因为所以 you are free to use it in one sentence in Chinese Mandarin. Alright, bye!